As you get ready to enjoy this owner finance deal we did last year, please subscribe to our channel. Anyone ever done an entire live video and then realize your phone or app or something let you down? Because that just happened to me. I don't know if this is even live right now. 20 seconds in according to this. So jump back out here and do it one more time, guys. I just got done talking to the same camera alone at my office. I don't even have a camera person about this deal that we're doing in Malakoff, Texas. I don't really want to do it again, but I'm going to have to. So here's what we got. We bought a property in Malakoff, Texas at auction. It's a raw piece of land, 20 acres plus or minus. This is one piece of land. This is the other piece of land. My drawing is horrible. It's really just to keep me on task. It's not really to share a lot of information with y'all, but hopefully you can get something from it. So we bought this land for $58,000. We did that utilizing a hard money loan, and then we rolled it over onto a bank note. So we now have a bank note for $58,000. That's a zero down loan. We don't have any dollars in this deal at that moment in time. We then list it in two separate properties. Fortunately for us, this was already done. We didn't have to call a surveyor, but if we did have to call a surveyor, that would be our only rehab on the property if you want to call it a rehab. So, got the land, listed with a realtor in two different tracts, and we get this note established right here. We got a $63,000 owner finance offer right out of the gate. We took it. Their monthly payment to us is $500. Our bank mortgage is $423. So right now, as it sits, it's cash flowing $80 a month, and we still have one piece of property to sell, owner finance. So we're rocking along there. It's still on MLS, this other piece. And just the other day, we get a $59,000 cash offer. Yeah, there's Emery. Anyways, so we sell this property for $59,000 cash. $59,000. You're probably wondering, what does this mean for the bank mortgage? It means you got to go have a conversation with the bank. So we go and sit down with the bank. We say, hey, look, we just got this cash offer. Do you want us to pay off the entire mortgage, or can we not pay it off? What would you like us to do? They say we want the bank mortgage to be $31,000. Baby, you're going to have to move that so they can see. So they say they want the bank mortgage to be $31,000. So we now have to pay $27,000 out of our proceeds to the bank to get it down. Emery's got some drawings too she wants to show you. I calculate $7,000 for closing costs. I don't actually know. I didn't put the calculator to it. I just put a number on it. It could be higher, could be lower. Doesn't really matter. If you're making $25,000, $27,000, or just $20,000, you're still picking up more than a lot of people make in a year. Okay, you do two of these deals a year, and you've got somebody's yearly salary. Okay, on top of that, now he has a decision to make. So what I've got down here is I've got a 20-year AM, and when we pay this $27,000 to the bank and get it down, it's automatically going to draw our note down to 8 years. Okay, so now we will only owe 8 years on this mortgage. Our payment will still be $423 a month. Emery's so helpful. Anyways, if we re-amortize our loan out to 20 years, our payment will go down to $231. What this does for cash flow is this. We now have a decision to make. Do we want $270 a month cash flow with 10 years of payments on the back side, which means they bought it on a 30-year mortgage, so they're going to be paying for 30 years. We've got a 20-year mortgage. We've got 10 years of payments after they're done paying. Or do we want to have a 8-year payment or 8 years of payments, and then then we'll get another 22 years of payments after that. So we'll have 22 years of $500 a month. Now, if you put the calculator to it, the way to do it is to stick with the 80 because it'll pay you more over the life of the loan. I don't care about that though. I like cash flow up front. I feel pretty secure with a $31,000 mortgage wrapped by a $63,000 mortgage. Basically, I'm sitting at a 50% debt ratio there. I can show the bank I'm at 50%. I'm not maxed out at 80, but I can take it up to 20 years and still enjoy $270 a month cash flow. Doesn't seem like a lot, but when you get 100 of them, that's a nice little $27,000 a month. Also, there's zero maintenance on this property. We're not going to have to maintain it or do anything with it. In the rare case that we would get this land back, they're probably going to put a mobile home on it, some sort of camping site, something. It's going to be improved, clear it off, put cattle on it, put fences on it. They're going to do something to it. It's not going to be in the condition it is when we get it. When we get it back, it'll be typically improved, which means we can sell it for more. We don't want to get it back. I can promise you that. $25,000 up front, now you get first world problems of having to pick between $270 a month cash flow and $80 a month cash flow. I hope this makes sense, guys. I don't know, I felt like I did a hell of a job the first time, but my phone didn't record. I have no idea why. The cool thing about it is this time you got to see Emery. She didn't come out last time. She stayed back there like I asked her to do. She came out. She wanted to show off her drawing. I appreciate y'all's time. I look forward to meeting everybody on Saturday that's going to come out. It's $250. It covers all the classes. This is going to be the deal or no deal portion. I'm going to deep dive into how I make these decisions. I've got slides. I've got everything we need. You're going to get all that information. We got binders. I don't know, that we're printing all the information out, put it in a binder so y'all can take notes. You can take it home with you. You'll have all this information forever. It's a hell of a trick. I've got another buddy. The investor that's doing this with us is a friend of mine from high school. I got another friend of mine from high school that's about to start doing these deals with us. I mean, they're tremendous deals. Like you can see, you'll be sitting at 50%. You'll have $270 a month cash flow and $25,000 in your pocket. It doesn't get much better than that. Emery, say bye. You got drawings all over you. We appreciate y'all's time. Thank you so much.